way to Sita, and I'm playing with the thought of trying her bitless on my own. My instructor said it's okay, I can try it. Yeah, maybe. It's gonna be interesting if I do it on my own. Not sure, but why not? It's not like she's gonna bolt on me or anything. That's not the type of horse or pony that she is. So yeah, I think it's gonna be okay actually. No horses and no cats. I'm actually gonna fix the tack before I wade through, I guess, ankle deep mud to get to Sita. So Rasmussen här. Hej! Har du dippat? Och så igår i båda kissarna här. Hej! I båda kissarna här. Oh, hej myskillarna. Hej mysiskillarna. Two cats with one hand. Amazing. Sötpojken. You're so söta ni. So söta ni. Sweet kitty cats. Sweet kitty cats. I'm gonna go fix Sita's food and tack before I wade through mud to go get her. Hey, pojkarna. Hi, sweet boys. Hi. So this is the tack room, and I'm actually a little bit annoyed because who would leave the saddle on the floor like that? No, you don't do that. It's supposed to go there. Oh well, let's see if I can find the bitless that fits Sita as well as the teeny tiny pony. I'm just gonna need longer reins, and I see the reins that I can borrow. But dude, that's not okay. You don't leave a saddle on the floor. So as I have mentioned before in previous videos of Sita, her saddle is horrible, to say the least. She doesn't like it. I don't like it. So I borrow another saddle. So I have to change stirrups because kids who use the smaller stirrups ride in this saddle. Every single time. They are so far away and I have to walk through this. I don't think I can make it. Seriously. I'll get stuck. Dude. Sita! I don't even know. I think I'm stuck here. I don't know how to walk through this. This is mud and clay. I don't live in landslide area for nothing. Yeah. I have a bit further to go. And she's not gonna come. She's not gonna. Well, at least the sun is warm. And you hear the birds singing like it's already spring. Oh dear. I don't know how I'm gonna get out of this mess. I don't know where to walk. Especially not with a pony in tow. Oh dear. Oh my goodness gracious. This is insanity. Absolute insanity. Sitta, gumman. Sitta. Hej korp. Sitta. Hej. Hej. Hej buskillen. Hej. Sitta. Lill tjej. Teeny tiny fluffy pony. Hey. Hey. Oh, you're so muddy. Sweetness. Kom med det. Kom med det. Thank you. Oh, where are we gonna walk? Where are we gonna walk? This is without a doubt the muddiest day in my entire equestrian history. It doesn't help if you push me. I need to find my balance. You cannot push my butt. Oh dear. Stop, 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 stop. I need to reconsider where I'm gonna put my feet. Hello, killarna. Hello. Rosita som är så fin. Sporting her Sammy's side pull. No, 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 no grazing now. It's not good grazing. It's bad grazing. Hey! Kom hit. Second time, bitless. Riding in a side pull. And I'm also gonna practice what me and Pearl did. Trying to stabilize the loose hip so that it doesn't just hang there. So that's what I'll be doing in the warm-up. I'll be doing some physiotherapy up on Sitta's back just for a little while. Ska du rulla dig, Gandur? Ska du rulla dig? Oj, så gott! Oj, så gott! Oj, 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 så gott! Ja, rulla dig! Ah. Concentrate on Sitta now. Oh. So after a canter, Sitta gets super speedy. So I'm trying to find a calmer walk, a slower walk. But she loves cantering so much, and she's an old show jumper pony. Competition brain is on and all that. But it went super well with the side pull today. She was barely in my hands a few times when we tried lateral movements. She put herself in my hands, but as soon as we were on a circle, she came off the hands again. So it was really good. Nej, Sitta, gumman. Gumman. Can we go into korp? Sitta. It's not good grazing yet. It's not. I swear to God, it's not good grazing. Vi kommer, gubben. Vi kommer. Could I please have the lead rope back? Korp. Thank you. Thank you. Is he a rascal? Oh, lilla gumman. You were so good today. Yes, you were. Yes, you were. You're just a rascal. Oh, you were so good today, sweetie. Yes, you were. You're such a good girl. Yeah, you got the hang of the side pull. Korp, vad gör du? Be kind. You need to be kind. Yes. Yes. No, 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 not the lead rope again. No, seriously. I need to leave. I need to leave. What's with the tongue? What are you doing? Oh God. You're not a very big cat, Igor, but carrying you around for a while is tiresome. Yeah. So I put you on the tire because I got tired carrying you around. Pun intended. Finaste Sita. Finaste ponnen. Åh. Och du är en buse. You're a rascal korp. Yes you are. Oh. A bug landed on my camera. My phone. Ha! First bug of the year. Yeah. Buse. Buse. Och så bästa Sita. Bästa Sita. Oh. Nej men Alice, ska du komma och förstöra deras fina moment? Ja. Nej, Alice kom och störde dem när de stod och hade det fint ihop. Och då blir Korp arg. Ja.